Yan. Still have to discuss about it. So before that, welcome to the musical podcast where music can always getting started. So, anyways, I had to discuss about it. Siyempre, alam mo, ginagawa ko sa public, siyempre, nagvi-videoke muna bago podcast. Diba? So, I had to discuss about it. Bakit kasi may palaka sa studio niya? Okay. People who always listening here at 7:30 in the evening, I was officially shocked when I saw the frog behind the studio and it won't go away. Kokak, kokak. Somebody watch out of this frog. Kahit palaka lang, ayun lang ang kinatatakutan ko sa studio niya. No joke. I was a bit frustrating about this frog behind his studio. While I'm dancing with him, masyadong nakakairita yung palakan na tumatalon sa paa ko. Kokak. Okay. Disclaimer lang para kay DJ Sting. Walang palaka ang nasasaktan sa live streaming na to. And aside, no frogs are getting harmed during live streaming. No animals are getting harmed during live streaming. Get it? Oh, sinabi ko na. Whether it's up to palaka. Okay. Move on muna tayo dito. So, yes. I'm talking about Thursday's Club Banger Showdown Extreme. Siyempre, we're making it extreme. Sabi ko na. Well, it's either kung gusto niyo mag-tasking queue up lang kayo ng queue up. Siyempre, pinalitan namin yung genre. So, Monday is Mellow Music Memories. Tuesday is Soulful Classics. Wednesday is Ultimate Disco Showdown. And today's Thursday is Thursday Club Banger Showdown Extreme. O, diba? Siyempre, kailangan dapat patindihin na natin to. Yung showdown na to. Siyempre, dapat extreme yung showdown natin. Whether bahala ka na kung anong tempo lang ang gusto nyo, okay lang sa'yo. Siyempre, we had to minimize our tempo as well. Or maximize your tempo as well. Siyempre, get ready! I had to sing a few more songs until 7:30 in the evening. So let's go!